So guys, it is 4th of July. Me, my mom, my dad are staying up. Some crazy. Whoa. That was good. Let's show them the thing. So we try to start a fire over here.
Yeah, it might work, it might not.
He either threw a firework in there. So, you guys can't see, but that's like a little big bomb, I think.
It's called an enemy or a mortar.
So this is the mortar. And I am... I might go crazy. That's crazy. Wow. Wow. This is our collection.
We're almost done.
This is our collection so far.
Hey, Bob, you
Yeah.
can take these packs of these. Of these.
I want
Let's
to
put them down here.
set my phone somewhere where, like, I don't have to hold it to.
Well,
Oh,
that's okay. Let's just enjoy the fireworks.
yeah, fireworks. Is there a mortar in there?
No.
Okay, that's good.
No.
Dad won't tell. Woo! Woo! Did that go towards you?
Alright, so that didn't work. We shoved too many in there.
So it's shoved too many in there. What are you doing? Is there coal in there?
Huh?
Is there coal in there?
I mean, it's slightly up and down.
No. Cool.
Yeah, right there.
That's a little guys can't see it. It is starting. It is. It's 10 p.m. So it's 8:45 p.m. I am ready. Is this a big one? Oh, it's a big one. Guys, we have, how many big ones do we have? Okay, we have a couple big ones left. I just stepped on water. That is crazy. This is the thing he had earlier. A bump thing. Okay, guys, I put it on where you can see farther. So there's barely any light. There's the fire. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Okay, guys. Another firework. Listen of the day. Be careful. Fireworks. I think Zal set off another one. Yeah, he's about to set off. Last one? Last one. So guys, we put fireworks in there. So I don't like that first.
Ready, bud?
I don't like. Oh, this is catch on fire. This catch on fire, I'm not sure. Yeah, sure. I want to put out this fire. Yeah, I didn't know if. Yeah, it was on fire.
Alright.
So that was nice.
Good.
Yeah, very good fireworks time. Peace out.